Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going through the entire process how to use Helium 10 black books for product research. So let's get started. If you have Chrome extension of Helium 10, select the Chrome extension and now click My Dashboard. So if you click your dashboard, you paste this like a dashboard, now click black box, and here is the product keyword zone appear top search term and competitive niches. So basically we use a product. So we take a general idea. Hey, the price of show me the product. The price is up 10 to 30. Review count. The review count is maximum 150. Review rating is a minimum 4.4. So, title keyword. So this is the exact. We take a general idea. We do not use this section, also this section. So now I click. So here is the product image. We use many. The product image is 3. So now I click this one and search. Search. So they take some time. Sure. Yeah. So these are the product that same as with our criteria. So this is the product. Now I select this one product. So how much this product take? The product is only in one picture and the product sale is 4.7, but the review rating is 6. It's not very well. Our entire criteria is the review rating is 150. So let's get this is the product is for 14.89 and parent level sin is 0 and the sale is USA. So now click this one. This is also is a product. So then click this one product. So take general idea which products are well. So yeah, this is the product is more. This also is a brand product only has a 2 variation and one picture in one video. So this is a brand product. Now you're going to select another product. So this one product we see Michael Jackson. So this is the product. This only one picture in visit the store. This also is a brand store. Now to select the this also is a brand registry product.